Hi guys, right, so what have I done so far in this segment of the update? Right, so I've tidied up the live leads for the battery, because every time that I used to try and jump start it, it kept on arcing out on the side of the bonnet, so that was just a recipe for a disaster. So I decided to tidy it up a little bit until I could get something a bit more permanent solution. Well, I thought I had a permanent solution. What I did is I actually bought this from Amazon, and it turns out it don't work. So, you know, there's no connection between either of any of these anyway, but the posts are too small anyway, so which is a bit of a pain, because that would have been pretty good to use. So what else have I done? Right, I did have that connected up, but I was sorting out the live lead which I created, so because I've actually rerouted it underneath the subframe opposed to actually going down there, which actually touched the exhaust previously. So now I've actually made that right. I put some conduit on that earth lead which runs down the side, bolts to the side of the block. Put the dizzy in, and I've put that into the correct location, I hope. And I've put the belts on. I've put the anti-roll bar on as well. It's underneath. That was a little bit of a tricky one. Obviously, in a previous video, showed that I'd welded up the side of the block down there. Sorry, the body. There's a gap in between here. I mean, there's going to be a gap there for a while until I find another solution. I'm thinking of maybe buying some tubular manifolds and then tailoring it in, and then making it so it fits the rest of the exhaust. I mean, that may well be a way of doing it, but that's just a thought at the moment. What else have I got to do? I put the spark plugs in, but then none of them are tight. So I think that's about it. I will update very soon. If you like what you see, like, share and subscribe, and I'll update again soon. See ya.